Ending a relationship after intense emotional investment is heavy, and it's completely natural to feel a wave of sadness. You poured immense energy into being a patient, stable partner. It makes sense to grieve the end of that effort, even if the decision was necessary. It was vital to recognize the difference between giving up and reaching a healthy limit. Realizing that you became a crutch is incredibly profound. When a partner relies on someone else to soothe their core insecurities, it inadvertently stalls their independent healing. By stepping away, you are actually removing the buffer that allowed the cycle to continue. Having a philosophy that a partner should complement you rather than complete you is the foundation of a healthy, secure relationship. When one partner requires constant management of their anxiety at the expense of the other person's basic needs, like time and nature, the dynamic shifts from a partnership into caretaking. The enlightenment and apology loop, followed by a return to the same arguments, is a classic pattern in unhealed, anxious attachment. Momentary reassurance brings temporary peace. The internal anxiety inevitably returns because it is not self-soothed. The anxious mind looks outward for a cause, often mislabeling a securely independent partner as avoidant to justify the internal panic. You spend so much time putting your own issues on hold and suppressing your need for solitude to keep someone else afloat. Right now, your emotional tank is empty. Reclaim your space. Go into nature immediately. Do not view this as a luxury. View it as necessary psychological medicine to reset your nervous system after prolonged hypervigilance. Release the guilt. Forgive yourself for hitting a boundary. True strength is not enduring ultimate drainage. It is knowing when a situation has become toxic to your own well-being. Namaste.